Hi, I'm Vahid Ahmadi and I'm 3D character modeler and I'm in the industry for 6 years now. The Archer course is complete 66 hours tutorial which has two main parts. First part is modeling, posing and sculpting everything inside of ZBrush using all ZBrush native tools including ZModeler, curve brushes, ZSphere and other tools inside of ZBrush in order to translate to the concept into 3D model, and right after that painting the model using polypaint in ZBrush. And finally BPR rendering with different versions and different color schemes, and then mixing ZBrush render passes inside of Photoshop and also making turntables. Part 2 is about taking all the model parts into 3ds Max including maps and render them inside of 3ds Max using vray. And this part has 3 parts about Ornatrix hair system inside of 3ds Max 2. First is an introduction about the Ornatrix and modeling her using Ornatrix, and part 2 is about converting the hair that we already had inside of ZBrush into Ornatrix hair and then rendering them using vray.